goes to our athletes. They're able to go to special events, do sporting events, and with you guys supporting us, it means the world to me. And my wife and my daughter are my pit crew. So when I go to the racetrack, I have them. They help me with shirts, they help me with tickets, they help me with everything I do. But you guys are a big part of that, and I can't say enough and appreciate everything you guys did by bringing out these beautiful cars and coming and hanging out.
Best Ford. Rory Cook, Ford Mustang. Where's he at, Rory? Come on, somebody find him. I believe it's the black, the muscle in the 80s. He's coming. Rory! All right, Rory's coming.